After experimenting with phones, tablets, smart speakers, and other devices, Google may finally enter the wristwatch market this year with the rumored Google Pixel Watch. The Google Pixel Watch, which has been grossly speculated and expected for quite some time, could be on its way. Because Google is putting its resources behind a new version of Wear OS that includes Tizen and Fitbit features, it may develop hardware to complement them. Let's see more about this highly speculated watch. Before we continue, please subscribe to our YouTube channel by hitting the subscribe button below to get a notification on our next video. Smartwatches and fitness trackers are one of the fastest growing consumer electronics categories, according to Google. It would be prudent for Google to release a standalone model as an accessory for its Pixel smartphones, such as the new Google Pixel 4a and Google Pixel 5. While Google has dismissed rumors of an in-house smartwatch, a slew of patents and acquisitions in the wearable market indicate that the Pixel Watch will be released sooner rather than later. In 2018, we first heard of a credible Google Pixel Watch leak. According to Evan Blass, a credible source of information on a variety of unreleased tech items, the Pixel Watch would be released that year. Google quickly put an end to the speculations, and we didn't hear anything about the alleged smartwatch for several months. The Pixel Watch was then anticipated to be released alongside the Pixel 4 in 2019, according to Nikkei Asian Review. That too did not go as presumed. Is it possible that Google is working on a smartwatch for 2021? We're not optimistic that the Pixel Watch will be released in the next few months, given the lack of leaks. Instead, 2022 might be a better choice. We are just saying, but anything is possible this year. The Google Pixel Watch may not be as much as an Apple Watch, but since there aren't many Google Pixel Watch price leaks to rely on, but we'd say it's in the mid-range. Since both the Samsung Galaxy Watch 3 and the Apple Watch Series 6 start at $399, we expect Google to undercut these two devices temporarily. So it might actually be affordable. It won't be the cheapest option on store shelves, but depending on size and LTE options, it might cost between $200 and $350. Again, based on what we know about Google's pricing approach for the rest of its hardware group, this is simply an assumption. Surprisingly, we've heard nothing about the design of the Pixel Watch. We haven't seen any reliable design leaks, renderings, or even CAD drawings since word of the smartwatch surfaced in May. However, we've seen some excellent promotional material created by a renowned designer, James Tsai. Tsai created a fun collection of representations motivated by the companies made by Google products, with names like Boba Black, Milk White, and Sweet Papaya. John Prosser, a prolific tech leaker, recently tweeted a posted image of what he believes is the Pixel Watch, featuring a disc-shaped design with what appears to be a crown. The revelation was uplifting, and it corresponds to the previous reports. Therefore, we can safely assume that it will have a round face if the Pixel Watch is ever going to surface. Google is currently working on 3 Pixel Watch variants, codenamed Ling, Triton, and Sardine, according to WinFuture, a German newspaper. However, it's unclear what these Pixel Watch codenames symbolize. Given the titles, it appears likely that the gadgets will come in various sizes and specifications. We wouldn't be surprised if Google made the Pixel Wrist Assistant friendly and included some Pixel-grade personalization, such as the ability to operate Google Nest items with some taps and swipes on the watch. One might be lifestyle-oriented, utilizing Fossil's smartwatch innovation, which it purchased for $40 million last year. Another, because of Google's ownership of Fitbit, might become one of the greatest fitness monitors. However, it is currently unknown if the Google Pixel Watch will include more advanced health capabilities, such as blood oxygen monitoring like the Apple Watch Series 6. There was a report from ET News, claiming that Google has placed a significant order with Samsung for body movement monitoring sensors. With Qualcomm's newest wristwatch chip and reports of onboard storage and LTE connection, the Pixel Watch might be well-spec'd. The Pixel Watch will include Google's Wear OS platform, which comes as no surprise. Continuous heart rate tracking with Google Fit, contactless purchases with Google Pay, and hands-free Google Assistant access are all popular Wear OS features on third-party smartwatches. We'd expect stronger interoperability with Google's hardware ecosystem on Google's wristwatch. When the Pixel Watch arrives, it will stand toe-to-toe against some of the most advanced products on the market. What do you think about the features of the Google Pixel Watch? Do you think it will perform favorably in the market? Thanks for watching this video. Please share your opinions in the comments section below, and remember to click the subscribe button to be the first person to watch new videos on this channel.